I'm Amber.
I'm Erica.
I'm Andrea.
I'm Savannah.
Alright, we are going to show you how to play the game Get to 100. First, you're going to need a 100 chart like this. You're going to need a piece of paper or a math journal. You're going to need a chip or a counter and 2 dice with multiples of 5 on them. Okay, you want to go first?
I have two 15s. So 15 for the first one, 10 plus 5, and then I move another 10 plus 5, and now I'm at 30. 15 plus 15.
I got 25 and 20, so I'm going to record on my paper 25 plus 20. Then I'm going to take the chip and go 10, 20, and then another 5. Then I'm going to go 20 more, so I'm going to go 10, 20, and I'm at 45.
I have two 15s, so I'm going to record 15 plus 15. And I'm going to start at the 1 and add 10 for my first 15 and add another 5 to make my first 15. Next, I'm going to add another 5 out of my 15, so I will add 10 more, which will put me at 30.
You have to keep playing until you get 100, and if you're close, you can either roll 1 dice or 2 dice. And the first one to get to 100 wins. And then you have to figure out what you want to roll, what you wanted to roll to get 100 if you don't win.
I'm at 90, so I'm just going to use 1 die because it's the best way for me. And I have a 5, so I'm going to move to 95. So I need 5 more.
Since I'm at 75, I am going to roll 2 because I have a better chance of getting 25 that way.
Since I'm at 95, again, I'm going to roll 1 more die. And I got a 20 and I went over. So I passed them.
Okay. Since I'm already at 95, I'll just roll 1 die because I'm already at 95. And I get a 5. So that puts me at 100. And that means I won the game.
Yay!
So now the game is over because she got to exactly 100 and I have 75, so I still need 25 more. So in my journal, I'm going to add another 25 that I would need, and then I'm going to add them up to 100. When you add them all up, you are going to use combinations. So I have a 25 right here, which is easy to add up for me, and I also have another 25. And then I'm going to combine 20 and 25, or 20 and 5 to make a 25. And then I'm going to add 15 plus 5 and 5, which is another 25. And this is 50. And then another 50. And this is 100. So then I know that I would have got to 100 with a 25.
Savannah won. I needed 5 more to get to 100. So in my journal, I'm going to add a plus 5 to my equation. And now I'm going to group some numbers together to show how I got to 100. And I'm going to put two 15s together to get 30. And I'm going to add a 25 plus a 5 to get another 30, which would be 60. And I'm going to bring down a 20 and bring down another 20, which will give me 40. And when I add all 3 up, I will get 100. 30 plus 40 plus 30 equals 100.
I was the winner, so I'm going to put a star by mine showing that I won. But I still have to make a combination of 100. So what I would do is I would combine the 15 plus the 15 to get 30. I'll bring down a 20 and another 20. I would combine the 10 plus another 10 to get another 20. And the 5 plus 5 will give me 10. So then I would combine 30 plus 20 and get 50. And then the 20 plus 20 plus 10. That will also give me 50. So 50 plus 50 will give me my 100. And that's how I won.
All right, good job, you guys. Give you one last shot there while my camera's working.